Good day to my future employee. I'm Ellen Wasawa Sabanyag. I'm 36 years old and I came from province of Cebu City and I'm married. My highest educational attainment is Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. My hobbies are cleaning, washing, cooking, and gardening. My work experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait and Philippines. First in Kuwait, within 2 years and 9 months, from February 2011 to November 2013. I serve four members of the family for the couple ages 32 and 35 years old, and for the children is 3 months and 4 years old. In the Philippines, 2 years, from January 2015 to November 2017. I serve also four members of the family for the couple ages 30 and 35 years old. For the children 1 year old and 5 years old. After that one, I born my youngest daughter. I take good care of my youngest daughter until now. Then my duties are take good care of the family as cleaning, washing, cooking, washing car, and marketing as well. And I'm willing to take good care the newborn baby as my own. And I can sing nursery song for the baby like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employee, please choose me as your housemate. And I'll do my very best, my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.